I love Soul Premise bags. Check this out. Right here I have my University Blue Air Jordan 1s and my Off-White Air Jordan 5s inside of my backpack, along with my laptop. As you guys can see, I have more room for some more stuff. Check out the front of the bag. Very nice, high quality leather. Tons of colors. Check out the zippers. More room, and there's even another zipper here for even more storage as well, and you also have some more space on the side of the bag as well. Make sure you click my link down below in the description. Check out soulpremise.com. They have very high quality bags that are made for sneakerheads when they travel. All of their bags hold lots of sneakers. As you guys can see, they have backpacks, duffel bags, tons of bags, tons of colors. You guys are absolutely gonna love Soul Premise. Make sure that you check them out for your sneakerhead travel needs. You can click my link down below in the description to soulpremise.com, and make sure you use my discount code Danny Moore. That's right, my name, Danny Moore, for 40% off your order from soulpremise.com. Thank you, Soul Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get straight into this underrated Air Jordan 1. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna take a look at a underrated Jordan 1 investment that you can make right now. This Jordan 1 released last year. It has dropped in price since its release. It will go back up and it will supersede what they were originally going for after release. This Jordan 1 can only go up in price from this point forward. So I'm going to tell you guys to buy this Jordan 1 now if you're looking to make some money. Hold on to it, and then in a few months from now, sell this Jordan 1 for a profit if that's something you're into. If you're looking to buy a Jordan 1, if you want a really good pair of Jordan 1s for around $200, keep watching. This video is for you. Trust me, guys, this is a dope pair of Jordan 1s that I'm telling you will only go up in price. So if you want to wear them, rock them, enjoy them. If you want to make some money, if that's the route you want to take, go ahead and do that. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and let's unbox and take a look at this Jordan 1. I did pick up this Jordan 1 locally. I have been buying some pairs quietly, but I am looking to buy some more pairs. I think this is a very, very clean Jordan 1. I do have it in the collection already. It is a must cop for me personally. But like I said, I'm looking to make more money on pairs. So I'm looking to buy some pairs to hold on to and let them go up in the future and then sell them down the line, probably towards the end of this year. So I think this is a very clean Jordan 1, man. Let's get straight into this. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I want to do a giveaway for you guys here on YouTube for the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. So listen up. All you need to do is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and then send me a DM with proof that you subscribe to the channel. That's all you need to do. I'm not going to put up a post for this giveaway. I want to do something a little different with this giveaway. I want you guys to DM me, and then I'll just select the winner in about 2 weeks' time on Instagram. This is not your typical Jordan 1 box, right? This is your typical Jordan 1 box, the black and red. This is the silver Jordan 1 box, because we do have the Air Jordan 1 silver, Japan, Tokyo, whatever you guys want to call them. This Jordan 1 is so underrated. Guys, they're going to go up. They can only go up. Like I said, grade school. Let's run down the numbers again. Grade school, they're at about 160, 170, 180 tops, right? They will see 250, 275 easy. Easy, in my opinion. I think this year, late this year, I think these will definitely go up. Now, men's pairs, you can get it for around 190 to 210, 220 tops. They definitely will see 280, 300, 320 once again. They did see 270, 280, 260 around release. They have dropped over time. They will go back up and surpass that 260 to 280 that they were going for. They'll definitely see that 320 in my opinion later this year. Guys, pick them up. Pick them up now. It's not too late. If you're looking for a very affordable Jordan 1 for under 200, this is probably going to be your best bet. One of your best bets. Definitely a very clean Air Jordan 1. A very wearable Jordan 1. You do have the gray, the white, the silver. Very dope. Very, very nice. I love them. I think they're clean. I do have a personal pair here in the collection. So I did pick up a pair. What size is this? Size 11. I actually have a size 10.5 in my personal collection. So I did pick up a pair size 11 here. I definitely think it's a very, very clean investment. I was able to pick these up actually for retail. Like, someone hooked me up locally for retail. You might be able to get them for retail if you can. I definitely highly suggest it. So that's why I couldn't say no to this Jordan 1 for retail. There's no way I was saying no to that. So, guys, pick them up. Very, very clean. I think they're underrated and only gonna go up. They can only go up from this point forward. It's really that simple. There's no way they can drop more. Guys, retail's 170. They're at like 192, 210. How much more are they going to drop? They're not. They're not at all. So make sure you guys pick them up. Pick them up. Quality's nice. The colorway's nice. It's out there. Personally, I would prefer to rock them with the white laces over the gray laces. I think the white would probably look a little bit better here on the sneaker, but very, very clean nonetheless. I'm excited to rock my personal pair. And I'm excited to sit on some pairs, man. I have been buying pairs quietly. Just a few. Just a few. I think I have 4 pairs now, not including my personal. Maybe 3 pairs. 3 or 4 pairs, not including my personal. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, but definitely a clean Jordan 1 that I don't see anything wrong with holding. That will definitely just go up. Really that simple, guys. Very, very nice. I'm excited to pick them up, and I'm excited to pick up more pairs. So make sure you guys cop up this dope Jordan 1. They're clean. You really can't go wrong. I really do enjoy them. I think they're fire and awesome, man. Very, very nice. I see this Jordan 1 definitely going back up in price for a few reasons. First of all, the colorway, right? I mean, it is a Jordan 1. That's obvious. Don't have to say that. But it is the colorway that really, I think, pops. It's out there, right? We don't have a ton of all gray Jordans like this, especially on a Jordan 1 like this. And the last time we saw this sneaker release was back in 2001, Japan, with, you know, a whole suitcase and whatnot. A pretty limited sneaker back in the day. So the fact that they retro them definitely will help, you know, I would say increase the demand and the shock factor that they actually retroed them after so long. So I totally see them going up in price. Personally, I like to go like a white tee on these. I think a white tee would really make the shoe pop. Let the sneaker do the talking. After all, you do have the white outsole and, you know, mixes of gray and silver here on the upper. I think it's a very dope Jordan 1. Quality is very nice. I love the leather that was used here on the tongue. On the back of the tongue, you do have 2001, 2020. So I totally see them just going up, man. Definitely, especially grade school. Grade school Jordan 1s always tend to do well. So I definitely think this is a very, very affordable Jordan 1 that's not much over retail. Look, a lot of Jordan 1s go way over retail right off the jump. I'm talking 100, 150, even more. For this sneaker to be just a few bucks over retail, I think it's a really solid Jordan 1. And a very slept on, underrated Air Jordan 1 that I think a lot of people will definitely regret later on when the sneaker does pop off, when resale does go up. I definitely think there'll be a lot of sneakerheads that missed out on them and will be like, damn, I should have copped. So make sure you guys cop up, pick up this Jordan 1, man. They're fire. Absolutely straight fire, and I love the fact that I have them in my personal collection, and I'm picking up some more pairs for a few bucks over retail. This pair for retail, so you really can't go wrong with the silver Japan Tokyo Air Jordan 1, man. Such a fire Air Jordan 1. Let me know what you guys think about the Tokyo Japan Jordan 1. Also, let me know what you guys think about the Midnight Navy Japan Jordan 1. I think those are clean, and those have actually gone up in price already to almost like 300 bucks. This one dropped in price, which it's crazy because these will definitely see that $300 price tag very soon as well. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Soul Premise once again. Thanks Soul Premise for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check the link down below in the description and use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your order from soulpremise.com. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.